Get ready, car enthusiasts. The legend is back. Redesigned, reimagined, and roaring into 2025. The 2025 Chevy El Camino is making its triumphant return with a bold new look, upgraded features, and power that'll leave you speechless. You won't want to miss this. Let's talk design. The new El Camino flaunts a sleek and sporty exterior, featuring striking LED headlights, polished chrome accents, and a spacious modern cabin. With a longer wheelbase, it also boasts a larger bed, offering more cargo capacity than ever before. It's not just new, it's better, but Chevy knows how to respect tradition. The 2025 El Camino retains classic elements that fans will recognize and love, like the signature tailgate and dual exhaust pipes. These nostalgic touches tie the past to the future. And for the performance junkies, the El Camino SS is where things get really exciting. Under the hood, you'll find a beastly V8 engine delivering nearly 450 horsepower, a tribute to the legendary 1970 model. Plus, the all-wheel drive system and unique styling make the El Camino SS a true standout. Whether you're in it for the style, the power, or the practicality, the 2025 Chevy El Camino is a showstopper you won't want to miss.